everybody, my name is Nadine. I'm product manager at Mercedes-AMG. We are the world's fastest family. And also I have always been full speed ahead during my education, sports and life in general. I really love all the challenges that come my way. Whether it's a marathon or in my job, it's the passion that drives me and gets me pumped up. Just like the brand new GLE 53. So I can say that AMG is the perfect fit for me.
Hi everybody, I'm proud to present to you the Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 4MATIC Plus. Since its beginnings as our first entry-level model in 2015, the sales have skyrocketed, and the current GLE 43 has gained worldwide acceptance. For the next generation, this all-rounder gets a new name. The GLE 43 now becomes the GLE 53. What's in a name? Well, in this case, it stands for a fully variable all-wheel drive, an integrated starter generator, and a higher output of 435 horsepower. And that's even before the ISG kicks in with another 22 horsepower. In other words, the GLE 53 is now a full-fledged AMG performance car. Even a glance at it might knock your socks off. But you have to drive it to appreciate its improved dynamics. The now standard AMG Active Ride Control, including electronic anti-roll stabilization, keeps the car steady in any driving situation. It even takes some of the bite out of the Nordschleife, one of the most demanding racetracks of the world. The GLE 53 is now also available with many other features from other AMG models. The AMG steering buttons, AMG track pace, and the switchable exhaust are all new to this segment. And the best of all, I can now take up to 6 of my friends when I drive to the beach on the weekend. It's the first AMG GLE 7-seater, and it even has a driving program for sandy conditions. The bottom line, this all-rounder makes me feel like I can do anything, anywhere, anytime. Thank you very much.